Introduction to Sorting in Python. Sorting, process of arranging a list of elements in a certain order. Python provides built-in functions to sort data structures like lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Python built-in sort function. Python's code sort method modifies the list it is called on, sorting elements in ascending order. Note, the code sort at code method modifies the original list and doesn't return any value. Sorting in descending order. Lists can be sorted in descending order by setting the code reverse code parameter to code truth. Sorting with a custom function. Python allows for a custom function as a key to sort. The function is applied to each item on the list, and sorting is performed based on its return value. Sorting with the sorted function. Python's code sorted code function builds a new sorted list from an iterable. Note, unlike code sort, the code sorted function doesn't modify the original list. Common pitfalls and tips. Python's code sort function cannot handle a list with mixed data types. Sorting a list of dictionaries can be done by specifying a key function that indicates the dictionary key to sort on. Remember that code sort modifies the list in place and doesn't return anything, while code sorted code leaves the original list unaffected and returns a new list.